Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. My name still remains Lukman, and today I want to quickly show you how you can start generating lifetime income with YouTube. How you can start generating lifetime income with YouTube. If it's something you are interested in, then let's get into it. You are welcome back. If you are new to this channel, just consider subscribing. Consider subscribing. It does not cost you anything to subscribe. All you need to do is just to press the subscribe button. See the subscribe button below below this video. You see it, subscribe. It is written in red. Just click on it. Just smash it. Once you smash that, a bell will come out. Just press the notification bell. This is necessary so that when next we release good videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And by the way, this channel, we are concerned about educating and entertaining ourselves with money making ideas, how to make money online and offline. We also talk about life hack, solution to life hack, that is life problems, natural solution to life problem. We do all this in the smart way. So today we are looking at how to generate lifetime income from YouTube. By the way, what is YouTube? YouTube is the second largest search engine, second largest best search engine in the world. And fortunately, the best one or the first largest is Google. Google also owns YouTube, which is the second one. So automatically, if you understand how search engine works, you know that Google will continue to be in existence, and YouTube will also continue to be in existence, and you can generate so much money, lifetime money. All you need to do is just put in the work in the beginning, and you continue to generate lifetime income. Either you are still doing the work or not, you continue to generate. So far that search engine, which is YouTube, still exists and people are still going there, you continue to make money. And let me tell you, because it's the second largest, is a whole community on its own. People, more than 5 million people go to this website on a daily basis. And you can even about 50 million people go there on a daily basis. Everybody goes there because it's either they are looking for one thing or the other. They want to know how to do so. And video is the best thing when it comes to learning, because you will see how those things are done step by step, and there are so different types of video. So all you need to do is just get in. And how do you get in? It is very simple. Before we get to how to get in, why do you need to start your YouTube channel? You need to start your YouTube channel because when you are talking about recession-proof business that you can do, YouTube is one of the best recession-proof business that you can do. That means recession cannot touch your business. COVID-19 cannot touch your business. Any pandemic cannot touch your business. Any epidemic cannot touch your business. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, and by the way, we still have COVID-19, second wave of COVID-19. During the first wave of it, a lot of people made so much money on YouTube because it was the time a lot of people were at home. They were sleeping at home and they need information. People were looking for information. The first place they go to is YouTube. Even if you go to Google and search on Google, they will still take you to YouTube. So a lot of people are at home watching YouTube. For those who are watching Netflix, it got to a point they got tired of watching Netflix because they will subscribe, they will pay money. They got tired of watching Netflix, but they wanted information, and you cannot get those information on Netflix. The first and the best place to get it is on YouTube. So you go to YouTube and you get this information. And in the process, people who are giving you this information are earning a lot of money. Some of them have done what they are doing. They've done it for a very long time. And during that pandemics also, there's lockdown, stay at home, some people are churning out more video. I'm a living testimony. It was during COVID-19 that I started my YouTube channel, and up till now I'm still making videos. I'm getting subscribers. We'll come to that. We'll come to that. So how do you make videos to appear on YouTube? There are so many different ways of making videos on YouTube. There are so many different ways. But all you need to do is you need a camera. And you might not buy a DSLR. You might not buy a big camera. Just your phone will do. Presently, this video I am recording with my phone. I have to be straightforward. I have to come straight to you. I've come clean. It's not a big deal. I'm recording with my phone. You can start as well. Once you record with your phone, you can just upload directly to YouTube. And what do you need to start? One, you have to have a Gmail, which I know you already have. If you are watching this video, I know you have a Gmail. Once you have a Gmail, if you have a Gmail, you already have a YouTube channel. All you need to do is just create the YouTube channel. Go to sign in with your Gmail and go to YouTube. Start your YouTube app and just click start a channel. Once you create a channel, once you start creating, you will ask you all the things, little things, and you create your channel. Once you create your channel, the next thing is for you to be uploading videos. It might be videos you've done in the past. It might be videos you are just doing. It might even be videos you did not do. You can string pictures together and put videos. If you check my channel, I have videos like that. There is a particular video I did. All I did was just get the image free from free stock site like pizzas.com and Pizzabay. I just string it together, I merge it together and put music, and I have my videos. There are so many videos like that. There are even some that all you just do is go to some website, just get or you can do your PowerPoint slide, put it and start talking to it, and you are making your video. So there are so many ways. All you need to do is just get ready, make a lot of videos, and you can schedule them, upload them, and once you upload them, continue to upload. So how do you get paid? You get paid when you have 1,000 subscribers. You reach 1,000 subscribers. If you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you are qualified to start earning from YouTube partnership program. That a YouTube partner program is where you'll be earning money, because they'll be placing ads on those your videos that people are watching, and when people continue to watch, they'll continue to pay you. It is called AdSense. They'll put AdSense into that video and you can start making money. And there are other ways by which you can make money. Even if you are not putting AdSense, you can be selling things. Like I do that on my channels. I put affiliate links and I sell. And I even offer my service. I sell my own things, my own books and the rest. I sell them online. And so, but with the AdSense, you continue to earn. People continue to pay you without doing any further work apart from releasing the video. You are not the one doing the marketing. YouTube will do everything and you continue to earn. This is something that is very, very important and it will benefit you a lot. It's better you start now. Don't procrastinate. If I had procrastinated longest time, if not for this particular person, successful Sonny, that said, oh, Mr. Man, it was like encouraging everybody to do it. And I just started. When I started, I've not looked back. I've been doing it. And very recently, I know we'll get to that promised land. So this is where I want to stop this video. But don't forget to subscribe so that when I release other videos, because guys, other videos I want to release after this one, it is titled Tools Needed. Is free tools needed to start YouTube and make money. I'll be releasing that immediately after this one. So subscribe so that when I release that, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you are returning G, you have subscribed before, just click the like button and press and share. Press the share button and share it to a lot of people so that they too will be aware of money making opportunities that we do on this channel. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.